Hi, this is Miss Onco, and I'm going to show you today how to do some research right from your netbooks. All you need is internet access and our website, IMMS website. So starting at the Irma Marsh Middle School website, on this main page, you can do a quick link at the bottom of the page, or you can go to Students, go halfway down and pick Library, click on that. And when that opens up, you can see our menu bar on the left side here of all the different web pages that are within our web page. And we're going to start with the catalog, Follett Destiny Library Catalog. It's the third one down. Click on that. This is the page you'll see most often when you come into the library, but exit this page and you exit up at the top right, and it'll just pull up a different interface. It's still a catalog, it just looks a little bit different. And we're going to use Universal Search over here on the left. Universal Search will search for print books, and it will search for ebooks, and it will search different websites for you too. Good websites for students. Okay, so here's the Universal Search, and we will just put in first, for an example, we'll use solar system, the solar system. And when you do searches, don't put in the words like the or of, just put in your main words. The computer doesn't really recognize the or of, and it's just a quicker search, a better search not to put those words in. So you can see we've got books in these results, digital resources, and databases. Now these are books that are all in the library. If they're not in, it'll have a red out here. These are all in, so if these look interesting to you, you could come to the library and check those out. Let's pick this first one here. It tells you where you can find it. There's the call number, and it also tells you a little bit about the book. You can click on additional information and how many copies we have and all that kind of thing. And for citing your sources, which you need to do when you do a research paper in your bibliography or your work cited, just click on this and it's already done for you. It's already formatted. You can copy and paste that, or you can export it to EasyBib if you want to use that resource. So that is a regular book. Let's go back to the search and look at an ebook next. Ebooks are the next row. These are the digital books. And there are many digital books on the solar system. This one with the little 8 symbol means that it's unlimited, means infinity. That means a whole school could check this out if you wanted to. You can see all the different books. Let's pick one. Just click see all just to see how many we have. Let me find one. Here's one called The Planet Earth. Say, I think I want to check that one out. So you click on open, and it's going to ask for your username and password. Students' usernames are different than teachers. You're going to use your lunch number twice, and if you have any problems with that, you come to the library and I will be happy to help you make sure your password is set. But it should be your lunch number twice. Like I said, teachers are different. Click Login, and it should open the book for you. And I had opened this before, so it opens where you left off. And because I opened it before, it recorded that. You can see it's just like a regular book. There's the cover. It's even got the title pages, or the blank pages before and after the title page. Copyright information. It's got the table of contents. It's a regular book just online. If you want to check it out, click in the middle of the book. Might have to wait a minute. Oh, there it was. And you can see you can bookmark, you can do all kinds of things. You can see information. You can, if you want to find something particular, say you want to find, I only want this book if it's going to have something about Pluto in it. Let's see if it's got anything about Pluto. Oh, I guess I don't want this book. try the sun. You can see page by page, there's all kinds of things on the sun, and it will take you right to that page if you click on it. So that's just a real quick thing. But anyway, if you want to check it out, close the book, and it gives you these options. You can check it out and close it, or you can just close it, or you can continue reading it. Say you want to close it. If you do check it out, anything you check out is in your book bag, and you just click on that and that information is there. And that's where you would go to get it if you were going to open it up again, say at home. You check it out at school and you want to open it at home. You click your book bag and it's in there. Okay, so databases are the last resource on the universal search. Let's take a look at that. These are all databases that have stuff about the solar system, and it's still searching. Lots of stuff on the solar system. We'll just go with the first one here. It found 500 resources. You can click on it and it's got them all down here. These are all the resources. These are all articles about the solar system, and you can read a little bit about it and make sure it matches what you want. Say you think you might want this one. Open it up. And it's got questions and answers here about the solar system. And you say, yeah, well, I think I'm going to use that. So you need to remember to cite your source, and this does the citation for you right away, which is really nice. So you copy. You can either copy and paste it, copy it, or you can export it to EasyBib if you want, but it's already done for you. Really nice. Okay, let's go back to the library webpage. Another resource I want to show you is our databases. Databases are really cool. The Discovery streaming is video, if you need video for your paper. But Britannica Online is a good place to start. I'm going to show you that one. The login for that one is, if it asks for a login, this time it didn't. I think I was already logged in. But the login is username Castleberry, and then the password is IMMS. So if you want to do a search for solar system here, remember, don't use the, of, or and. You don't need those when you do a search, just your main words. And then you can click on it, and you can see there's all different kinds of resources here too. And if you want something easier, you can go down to an elementary level, or if you want a little bit more, you can go up to the high school level. You can email it, you can make it bigger. Let's just click on one. Here's the article. You can favorite it, you can print it, you can email it, you can cite it. There's your citation. And copy and paste. So if you want to highlight it, you can copy it and save it. You can even translate it into Spanish if you want to. Or whatever. I think it's just Spanish is all they'll translate to. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can even read it, have it read to you if you want to.
As the sun rushes through space at a speed of roughly 150 miles, 240 kilometers per second,
Pretty
it
cool,
takes
right?
many smaller objects along with it.
Okay, so that's all these things you can do with Britannica, and Britannica is a really good resource just to give you a baseline or maybe a definition of whatever it is you're researching. Okay, so Gale is just articles, and the password for that is Go Lions twice. So these are our databases. Those are other places that you can look. Teachingbooks.net is mostly for stories and literature, and maybe you would use that more with your English classes if you're looking up special books or things. Also, you can look at research tips. There's more there. This tells you about why we need databases and about avoiding plagiarism, which we're not going to go into right now, but it's very important that you cite your sources and give credit to the people who provided the articles and the place where you got your ideas. And here are some more search engines. These are other places you can search that help you out or good resources. And here's Citation Machine, EasyBib, and Citation Wizard to help you with your works cited or your bibliography. And always you can come to the library. I very much like to help you with your research. So that is it.